So our project title is gas level detection and alert system with booking using IoT. Here it is our complete circuit of the project. The main component is our microcontroller, which is the Arduino Uno. Then there is a GSM module which helps to send the message on the user or to the phone. Then there is a buzzer for the alert mechanism. Then is a MQ6 sensor which detects the gas leakage, and it is a load cell which calculates the load of the gas, and with the help of the HX711 amplifier, this will convert the analog signal to the microcontroller. So basically the system is based on software and hardware component. The system detects the gas level in the cylinder by using this load cell, and when the gas is critically low, it will send a booking message to the user by using this GSM module. So let's see the actual working of this project. So now the project will show the reading on the screen like this. Here it is a reading of the load cell, which is now is a 2.36 kgs nearly, and the gas level which is nearly 13. It is a low now, so that's why it is a normal level. So now we are going for our first module, that is a gas leakage. So we are going to leak the gas by using the cigarette lighter to check the. So as we can see, there is a gas level becomes exceeds, and when it exceeds then the condition, it will send the message on the phone. As we can see, there is a system print, the gas leakage detected, and now our buzzer blows, and we can see that there is a message coming on the phone which is the gas leakage detected, and open the windows. So now we are moving to our second module, that is the gas level detection. Here we are using the books as a weight of the gas as an example. Now we can see there is a weight near about 2.40 kg. Now we are going to remove some weight to show the gas level detection alert system. Now we can see that the level of the gas is below than the threshold weight. So here it is sending of alert message, and the getting low alert message is sent on the phone. We can see that the message is coming on the phone. As we click on the link, their site will be open. There are the two pages, one is home and another is help. The help is used for the small user manual for this site particularly. Now we are trying to book a new cylinder. So there are the four options for the booking cylinder, like a Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm and Amazon. So as we click on the Paytm, for an example, there is a gas provider which will leads to the booking and a gas cylinder. Likewise, and let's take one more. So when we open then Amazon, it will redirect to the Amazon Pay for booking and a cylinder. So this is all about the working and the implementation of our project, that is a gas level detection and alert system with booking using IoT.